Good morning, students. Welcome you all in virtual summer camp Haryali Se Dosti, organized by Maharana Pratap Public School. Nowadays, air pollution is increasing day by day. It is very expensive to buy air purifier. So, in this video, we will learn about air purifying plants and their propagation. These plants not only purify the air but also add aesthetic beauty to our home and make our houses fresh. Let's start by decorating some old containers. Here we are decorating the containers using permanent marker and painting colors. We can prepare containers in other different ways also. Next step is to make a hole in the container with the help of candle and screwdriver. This hole is made to drain out excess of water. Now we will cover this hole with the help of stone. Now we will put some soil in the container. Next, we will put a layer of dried crushed leaves and a layer of vegetable and fruit peels. This layer will decompose with time and act as a compost for the future plant. Next, for the top layer, we will again put the garden soil and fill the container completely. Now let's begin with first air purifying plant, that is spider plant. Its scientific name is Chlorophytum comosum. It is low maintenance house plant. We can regrow this plant by cutting one of its shoot with the help of scissor and planting it in another pot. It is also known to fight against formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, and carbon dioxide. It can grow in bright indirect sunlight and cool to average home temperature. This plant need 2 to 3 times water in a week. It can be placed in any bright area in our house. The second air purifying plant is Song of India. Its scientific name is Dracaena reflexa. This plant can be easily regrown by stem cutting with the help of scissor. And now this cutting is to be planted in the another pot having moist soil. This air purifying plant filters the air from pollutants such as xylene, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. It also increases humidity and absorbs lead. This plant does not need direct sunlight and need not to be overwatered, otherwise its leaves turn yellow. Our next air purifying plant is jade plant. Its scientific name is Crassula ovata. Jade plants are relatively easy to grow from stem cutting. It improves indoor air quality and humidity. It also absorbs large amount of carbon dioxide from the environment. It is believed that this plant brings prosperity and fortune in homes and offices. It also has medicinal value. The extract of its leaves is used to treat burns, stomach pain, warts, and diabetes. It needs moderate sunshine and less water to grow. Our next air purifying plant is snake plant. This plant can be propagated by division method and also by leaf cutting method. Here we are showing you division method. This plant can absorb cancer causing pollutant including xylene, benzene, toluene, etc. It also acts as an effective defense against airborne allergies. It is also a great oxygen producing house plant. These plants need minimum water and moderate sunlight. Other air purifying plant is arrowhead plant. Its scientific name is Syngonium podophyllum. This plant can be propagated by cutting its stem below its node and plant this cutting in the moist soil. This plant is not only decorative but also has ability to cleanse air you breathe and act as anti-pollutant. It can absorb volatile organic compounds also. This plant needs very less sunlight and water. Besides these plants, there are many other plants which can act as air purifier. These plants are Erica palm, Boston fern, and broadleaf lady palm. Thank you, students.